For nearly 2 decades, Cross Country Manufacturing has been building semi-trailers in Morden, Manitoba. Our family-owned business proudly crafts over 130 types of logging, mining, oil and gas, and heavy construction trailer solutions for domestic and international markets. And for our specialized customers, we design custom trailers to meet their every need. Our in-house engineering department accounts for terrain, durability, functionality, and safety when designing our trailers, and we use only the highest quality materials and labor. Cross Country's trailers are built in-house with our start-to-finish manufacturing process, using a range of skilled trades and specialty equipment attending to the finest details. Advanced high-strength steels deliver premium structural performance and superior abrasion resistance. We use Strengths Performance steel and Hardox wear plate, allowing for higher payloads. These products are processed into trailer parts that are welded together before being blasted, painted, and assembled in our facility. Cross Country is known for building a quality trailer with outstanding fit and finish. This saves our customers time and money. Isn't that something we all want more of? Speaking of customers, ours are some of the most satisfied in the industry. We strive to provide the best trailer warranty in the biz. If you need attention with any aspect of the purchase process, we have a dedicated customer service team and warranty repair network ready to help you out. Because we stand behind our trailers, and we know you will too. Cross Country Manufacturing. Engineered for today, built for a lifetime.